Here we go. And all I can say is this one's going to be a test of wills.
Wow, that was a wild strike. Talk about missing the target.
Yeah, it looked like it was completely out of desperation.
From our vantage point, it doesn't even look like a sweat has been broken. From what we've seen and heard tonight, there must be serious injuries.
No kidding, this is going to need some serious medical attention.
Definitely looking confident in this one-on-one environment. We're going to find out who's the better competitor, that's for sure. No gimmicks here, just some good old-fashioned one-on-one action.
Quick thinking to avoid that. Quick punch. So much on the line in this one, and like they say, on any given night, anything can happen in WWE.
That's something I learned early on in my stay here in the WWE.
Yeah, like the night I beat you.
Yeah, absolutely anything can happen in the WWE, even that.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Oh, a serious knockout blow. Looking to get on a roll here. You know, we talk a lot about how fluid and virtuous Hunter Hurst Helmsly is in the ring. But there's nothing virtuous about his pedigree. I'll tell you that, it's plain mean.
Ooh, that one stung.
Wow, turning it around. It's Hunter Hurst Helmsly with a reversal. With a 180, Hunter Hurst Helmsly, the reversal.
Looking highly motivated here.
Oh, out here you have to be able to think on your feet lightning fast. One mistake, one moment of hesitation, and you could find yourself in a world of hurt.
Hunter Hurst Helmsley may have a lot of money and beautiful things that most of us could only dream of owning. But once that bell rings, all the money in the world can't help him win. What does help him, though, is that pedigree. And you're right, King. It's plain mean.
Yeah, not only is Helmsley driving his opponent face first into the mat, but he's using his entire body weight as the force behind the move. Nobody's getting up from that. I think I saw two fly out.
He's sending a message to the entire WWE locker room here. Concentrating on the face now.
Well, the trick sometimes when you get outside the ring is survival. The match becomes almost secondary when you get near all these dangerous objects.
Make no mistake about it, this is getting ugly.
Yeah, now we're just talking about his face.
Not today, too fast. Quick thinking to avoid that. When his strikes land, you can feel it in the first few rows.
Doink the Clown, Duke the Dumpster Drosy, Henry Godwin. You can list off almost any member of the WWE's new generation, and Hunter Hurst Helmsley has beaten him. I think it's safe to say that this guy's got a bright future.
After a move like that, he's going to need a chiropractor in his near future. A knockdown, drag-out brawl, complete with a big stomp.
Man, these guys are throwing bombs. They're pulling out all the stops. Not a lot of spring left in his step right now.
That wild strike found nothing but empty air that time.
Man, that's what you call swinging for the fences and missing.
Oh, what devastation. You can't get up from that, can you? I don't even want to think about what a third time will sound like.
He's simply reminding him that he's here.
Oh, out here you have to be able to think on your feet lightning fast. One mistake, one moment of hesitation, and you can find yourself in a world of hurt. Well, he's got his opponent, and what's he going for here?
And there's the submission hold. Will this do it?
He's wearing him down with a very effective submission hold. I guess he's done with that move.
Yeah, but what's he going to do next?
wants this battle decided inside the ring.
And that's why he's such a great athlete, such an important superstar. King, this has the makings of one of the most exciting submission matches in recent history.
So far, I'd have to agree, Cole. This has been absolutely amazing. Talk about catching a beating. And that'll give you a negative attitude.
Hunter Hurst Helmsly gathering attention in a hurry.
Slam. What power, what force. That was unbelievable.
Somehow, he's kicked it into another gear here tonight.
You could call this a good old-fashioned butt whooping.
Yeah, that's exactly what we're witnessing. A butt whooping. He just got laid out.
Remember, momentum in WWE can turn on a dime.
And leave you some change. He's still not through. No, not again. Well, we're on. That's it. He's out.
Now, who does a methodical pace benefit, King?
Well, I'll tell you, whenever the dominating competitor takes his time, it gives everybody a chance to catch their breath.
These guys are giving it their all here tonight, not just to entertain the fans, but to ultimately walk away with the win.
Sometimes that neck pain can be felt all the way down the spine. He needs to dig way down deep if he wants to keep going now. Whoa! Don't get up! Oh, out of nowhere!
That'll leave you dizzy in a hurry.
Oh, wait, nice reversal. Look out!
We're looking at complete domination here. These are great competitors, great, tremendous gladiators here in WWE.
Some of the best superstars that WWE have to offer. Well, that's it. Not a lot of spring left in his step right now. Look at this.
The end of days, can you say, end of the world?
Yeah, it's the end of that guy's world. This may settle the score right here. Nowhere to go. Oh, the longer he stays in this, the closer he is to losing the match.
And there's the release. What's going to happen now?
I'm scared to ask. Man, he's still down after that move. I almost wonder if his bell got seriously wrong there. Submission! The hold's locked in! Oh, man, this has got to hurt.
Just a dominating display.
Yeah, I think we could see a lot of punishment inflicted here.
Take a look at the leg. This is what happens when someone wants to eradicate their opponent from competition.
Yeah, that leg can't stand much more abuse.
These superstars looking for a victory, looking to build momentum.
He's got it locked in. Will this be it?
And there's the release. What's going to happen now?
I'm scared to ask.
Looks like he's pinpointing the back.
Not a lot of spring left in his step right now.
Unleashing it for the second time now. There's going to be a lot of offense in this match.
Wouldn't have it any other way. That's what I love to see. He's showing no signs of letting up.
Another amazing singles contest. These two never cease to entertain the WWE Universe. It's got to be over now.
Look how slow he is to recover here. That was some serious punishment. Nowhere to go. Can he do it? Can he dig down deep and fight out of this hold? What a tremendous victory.